Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. All right, you're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on our YouTube channel. And I'll continue the conversation I started the other time on Germany. We've talked a lot about different items of import in Germany. In this particular video, the focus will be on the leather product that German import. Of course, we know that Germany is a very highly industrious country. And if you look at their export per capita, actually better than the US. If you look at the volume of demand for the leather products in this country is $6.56 billion. So what are the leather products that are imported by Germany? Majority of the leather products are trunk and cases. 72.6% of the $6.56 billion is for trunk and cases. Then we have leather apparel. Leather apparel is just 10%. Saddlery, 4.29%. Tan, equine, and bovine hide, 7.28%. There are other leathers, other leather articles, 1.55%. Foreskin apparel, 0.88%. Other hide and skin, 0.78%. Tan foreskin, 0.77%. And from this, you see that there's a very good demand of leather products in Germany, but majority concentrate around trunk and cases, leather apparel, saddlery, tan, equine, and bovine hide constitute almost 95% of the leather products imported by the German people.